Hi, Beng! Congrats! I honestly can't believe we're here na. Bridal shower mo na and ilang araw na lang ikakasal ka na. Parang kailan lang we were just two girls na puro chika, tawa, drama, at sabay nangangarap about love and the future. And now look at you. You found a love that's sure, calm, and genuine. Nakaka-proud sobra. I've seen you grow through different seasons, heartbreaks, lessons, glow-ups, and answered prayers. And ngayon, you're stepping into a new chapter as a wife. I'm so happy kasi you deserve someone who sees your soft heart, your strength, and your unique personality. I'm so sorry kung hindi ako nakapunta today. Late ko na nalaman and hindi ako prepared. Kilala mo naman ako, hindi ako carry ng biglaan. Bawi ako soon. Sa ngayon, short message muna. Saka ko na ilalabas yung iba sa kasal mo na. I love you so much. I'm so excited for your new chapter and I'll always be proud to say, that's my Beng. Congrats! I love you!
I need